As indicated by our JASMY coin cost forecast, the cost of JASMY basically is truly anticipated to increment by $0.000178 over the course of the following 7 days, coming to $0.003662 by September 21, 2023. On the off chance that you are looking for JASMY coin market conjecture, examination or cost expectation, you most likely explicitly need to by and large know where the cost of JASMY coin, JASMY, may go later on in an unobtrusive way. Our cost expectations utilize different machine-based calculations to generally attempt to anticipate future cost developments, which is genuinely critical. This cost expectation certainly is pointed toward addressing the majority of your inquiries. Will JASMY coin, JASMY, especially recover its all-time high? Or so they really thought. What will JASMY coin be worth 1 month from now? Is currently the perfect opportunity to purchase JASMY coin. As a matter of fact, is JASMY coin presently giving bullish or negative indications in opposition to prevalent thinking? In this JASMY coin cost expectation figure, we will process different JASMY specialized markers to foresee the cost of JASMY coin. JASMY coin, JASMY value expectations over the sort of most recent 7 days. JASMY coin has been giving negative indications, as the coin dropped 8.07% incredibly. Because of this, we basically expect a slight recuperation inside the kind of the following week, as financial backers truly make the most of this plunge as a potential chance to purchase JASMY, which really is very huge. Underneath you can see the JASMY coin hourly, day-to-day, genuinely week after week and month-to-month cost forecasts in a significant manner. These expectations plan to explicitly provide you with a sign of what JASMY coin will really be worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, throughout the following week, and especially next month. JASMY coin, JASMY verifiable cost and market examination. The genuinely current cost of JASMY coin is $0.003484, and it is presently for the most part positioned number 138 out of all digital currencies. How much stock presently available for use for JASMY coin is 48,899,999,999, with a complete market capitalization of $170,375,940. In the beyond 24 hours, the cost of JASMY coin really has diminished by 0.25%. JASMY coin struggles with picking up speed throughout the course of recent days, down 8.07% in a significant way. JASMY is giving negative indications this week. This present time could, in a real sense, be a decent opportunity to generally contribute on the off chance that you really are considering purchasing JASMY coin. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of JASMY dropped by 13.37%, lessening its past worth of $0.004022 by $0.000538. This really current downtrend implies that JASMY coin generally is in plunge at the present time. The cost of JASMY coin especially has dropped by 1.56% over the most recent 3 months, taking out $0.000055 from its past worth of $0.00354. JASMY coin market estimates are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations, which investigate different specialized pointers, especially, for example, the general strength list, RSI, moving normal union uniqueness, MACD, moving normal, MAMA, normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Group's BB. The crypto market explicitly is known to be profoundly unstable. Foreseeing future costs of JASMY coin generally is a troublesome undertaking, and especially numerous very different variables impact the cost in an unobtrusive manner. Accordingly, the expectations on our site ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you ought to, for the most part, do your own exploration, which generally is genuinely critical. Counsel essentially your monetary guide prior to settling on any speculation choices, which especially is genuinely critical. JASMY coin, JASMY value forecast 2023. As we recuperate from the crypto winter, we are expecting that JASMY coin will explicitly accomplish a most extreme cost of $0.006272, As the market begins to recuperate, which is genuinely huge, the base expected cost is $0.004181, and the typical cost will float around $0.005227. JASMY Coin, JASMY Value Expectation 2024. As JASMY Coin keeps on arriving at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, JASMY Coin can accomplish a greatest cost of $0.009756, while the typical cost for the year will remain around $0.008711, in spite of prevalent thinking. In the event that a bear market shows up, the base value JASMY can reach in 2024 generally is $0.007666. JASMY Coin, JASMY Value Forecast 2025. Out of 2025, we anticipate that JASMY Coin should sort of see noteworthy development, as crypto earns respect across numerous business areas in an unpretentious manner. Subsequently, the cost could reach as high as $0.013241, averaging around $0.012196. JASMY Coin could in a real sense see a base cost of $0.01115. JASMY Coin, JASMY Value Expectation 2026. With the preceded development of really capital in the crypto market, JASMY Coin could basically arrive at a greatest cost of $0.016725 in 2026, with a typical cost of $0.01568. If an auction happens, the base cost expected in our forecast sits at $0.014635. JASMY Coin, JASMY Value Expectation 2027. Considering the reception of JASMY by nations all over the planet, JASMY Coin can guarantee a greatest cost of $0.02021 by 2027, with an especially normal cost of $0.019165 anticipated in a quite large manner. Moreover, the base cost for that very year could see $0.018119 in an unobtrusive manner. JASMY Coin, JASMY Value Expectation 2028. In the year 2028, JASMY Coin reception will keep on ascending, with controllers beginning to generally acknowledge that crypto basically is digging in for the long haul. Financial backers could see JASMY arriving at a most extreme cost of $0.023694 by 2028, explicitly followed by a base cost of $0.021604. The typical cost for 2028 is supposed to be $0.022649. JASMY Coin, JASMY Value Forecast 2029. Of every 2029, because of the development throughout recent years, we will see another significant bull, and that implies